Welcome to Canada. My name is Kyndell.
And I'm Linda. So we're in Canada and we're waiting for...
Henry or GANUK to come and focus.
Yes. And we're looking at the particulates in the air right now. And I'm showing her what particulates look like and explaining what they are. And over here, off to the side, is Henry or GANUK. So we're just waiting for him.
So there's either... there's both of them!
Yay!
I don't know the difference.
Oh, I need to get out a little. They're also zooming in. Well, one's Henry and one's GANUK.
I don't know. We don't know the difference.
Aww.
They're so cute.
Yeah, trying to stay in the shade.
Yeah, because it's so hot.
Sure is. Look at how cute.
They are very, very cute.
Mm-hmm. They're boys. And they're buddies. Look how gorgeous.
Yes, yes, they are gorgeous.
Smile. Yeah, it's hot. They're panting a little bit. Aw.
Oh, he's so cute.
In the wintertime, it's kind of hard to tell them sometimes from the snow.
Yeah.
Well, we'll give it to, let's say, a few more minutes, and then I'll show you how to shut it out, shut it down, and edit it, and upload it. And she's having a channel lesson. Teaching her all of it. She's getting a kick out of it. She's going to have her own channel.
So make sure to go subscribe when I get their channel.
That's how you do it. Subscribe. We might watch these little guys for a couple minutes. They're adorable. To get them nose to nose like that's very rare.
Yeah, it's like they were kissing.
Yeah. They're adorable. The people who sub to the channel like bears.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. A lot of them.
Well, these poor polar bears have to be in Canada because Antarctica is warming.
Yep, warming.
And they can't live.
Mm-mm.
But in the winter, they think it's Antarctica.
Yeah, it's like Antarctica in the winter.
In Canada.
Yeah. It gets chilly in Canada. I'm from Detroit, right at the border there.
Mm-hmm.
3 blocks from the border. That's where I grew up. I mean, my view was the bridge.
It's pretty. I bet that was pretty.
It was, back then it was. Over the years, Detroit looks a lot different now.
Yeah.
It used to be a manicured city, and everybody took pride in everything they had, and they worked hard. There was a bunch of immigrants from everywhere around the world.
Yeah.
And everyone got along. Believe it or not, everyone got along. But they have like Pole Town, Mexican Town.
Yeah.
Each place has its own town, and you can cross the borders and shop at each other's stores and get your international foods. And yeah. They used to break bread together, so to speak. It's not like that any longer.
Nope. Things change in this crazy world.
That they do, young lady. That they do. All right, Henry and GANUK, we're on our way. Bye to everyone.
Bye, guys.